This is potatoes. Thank you. Salmon eggs, please. Huh? Tomato dust. Yes, it's good tomato. Tomato and parsley. I need the eggs, please. Oil. Oil. Okay. This is soft potato. This is vegetarian, yes? 1.5? Maybe a bit more? Can I have a spoon?
फास्ट काउंटर में मोर स्पून चाहिए भाई.
Same, you know, this is with roast, this is vegetarian. Same, parsley and tomato. Soft potato. Mushroom powder. We have the cress. The leaves. The leaves. And then I need a good plate.
हमारा फूड का गार्निश में देंगे.
This is warm, alright? This is compressed cloud, yes? I need this one This one very hard. See? Slowly, okay? This is a cloud. You have fresh basil?
Basil.
I need to go in the room. I have to take. That's it. Okay. This is not very fresh. Now I'm going to the room to get my tongs.
Okay.
Tweezers, yes. Thank you. Flour used for rice. Alright? That's the plate. So we need to wipe them before it goes down. Alright?
भाई एक काम करो, इसको निकाल दो.